ngayon sa Month of the Ocean celebration po ng Department of Environment and Natural Resources. Maraming salamat po. And to recognize all the bikers, all the bike groups who attended, who participated in this event, we may call on Ms. Tina de la Cruz, the President of the Firefly Brigade.
Good morning, bikers! Thank you all for coming today at sa pakikisama sa ating celebration of the ocean, Month of the Ocean. So medyo lang konting late, but I hope that